Discord already lets people react to a message. Starboard turns that into a real spotlight system. Cross enough stars, and the message gets pinned forever in its own channel. And it's not just one board, you can run several, each with its own channel, its own threshold, and its own rules, side by side. This is Starboard. When a message collects enough of a chosen reaction, the bot reposts it into a dedicated channel, and the card gets more golden the more stars it earns. And it's multi-table from the ground up. This server already has one board running. Let's add a second one right now, live, with its own name, channel, and rules. Right at the top, the actual / commands tied to this menu star. Starboard config, board management, all of it, one click away. One setting up here is shared across every board. A monthly message of the month announcement, crowning the single best starred message across all your boards combined. Its own accent color, independent of any one board's color scheme. And it's not a blank embed. 11 built-in styles ship with it. This one, corporate, is the richest. A real 3-field layout for winner, month, and star count. Flip on sample data, and the variables fill in live exactly how it'll look on announcement day. Fresh board, no channel yet, and the dashboard says so immediately, right here, instead of letting it silently do nothing. Name it, pick a channel, set the emoji and the star threshold, and that warning clears itself. Anti-abuse tools underneath. Whether bot messages can qualify, NSFW channels excluded by default, and self-stars ignored, so nobody just stars their own posts. A cooldown between stars, a daily cap per member, and minimum account and membership age, all built to stop a handful of alts from gaming one board. Channel filters decide which conversations even count here. Only the events and announcements channels feed this board, and staff chat never will. Role filters go the other way. Newer members' posts never qualify, and only verified members' stars count at all. Appearance: a custom accent color instead of the automatic gold scale, plus footer and title templates your own text, with the star count, emoji, and channel dropped in wherever you place them. Star tiers push the color further as a message climbs silver at 10, gold at 20. And role-weighted stars mean a gold donor's vote can count for more than one, without touching who's even allowed to vote. A reward the first time a message crosses this board's threshold: coins, XP, a DM to the author, and auto-publish for servers using an actual announcement channel. Lifecycle rounds it out. Auto-delete after 90 days keeps the channel from turning into an archive, and contest mode puts this board into the running for that monthly message of the month crown. Save, and every one of these settings goes live at once. Before committing to a threshold, drag this slider. It replays the last 30 days of real activity and shows exactly how many messages would have qualified. Trends, top starred authors, and top star givers once activity builds up, plus every starred message with a jump link back to the original and a CSV export to take the data anywhere. Every change to every board created, edited, deleted lands in this audit log. Who did it and when? That's the multi-board system end to end. Deleting this demo board, now exactly the same one-click flow you'd use to retire any board you no longer need. Here's the loop live. A message picks up stars one at a time, crosses the board's threshold, and the bot reposts it into the Starboard channel with a jump link back to the original. And once a month, the single best starred message across every board gets its own spotlight, the message of the month, posted in whichever style you picked. That was Starboard. Every control multiple boards, anti-abuse rules, role-weighted stars, and the shared message of the month embed. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu. The link is in the description. Next in the series, giveaways, the other module, the setup wizard already teased. Subscribe so you don't miss it.